Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. This is Amber from Hot Ebike. Welcome to our Hot Ebike live stream. Please make sure that
那个麦已经没有声音了，都没有电了。
对，只是有电，
所以要把这个拔掉了才行。你现在播一下，你们到外面听有没有声音
Hello.
你看这个有什么？对，有声音。
Hello everyone. This is Amber from Hot Ebike. Welcome to our Hot Ebike live stream. Please make sure that you subscribe to our channel and follow our live stream so that you won't miss any of our future promotions and discounts. If you like our show, please give us likes, and if you have any questions or want to interact with us, just leave your comments and questions down below. Now, let's get started. We are Zhuhai Shanye Electronic Technology Limited Company, a professional factory with 15 years experience on electric bike manufacture and marketing. We have professional R&D team, sales and service team, advanced production lines, and complete e-bike testing equipment. We are committed to selling electric bikes, electric mountain bikes, electric fat bike, electric city bike, folding electric bike, electric scooters, electric bike lithium batteries, chargers, and electric bicycle controllers. Our products are various type, excellent quality, reasonable price, and stylish design. Which are widely recognized and trusted by users and can meet changing economic social needs. As a professional electric bike manufacturer, we have created our own brand Hot Ebike. We also can provide OEM or ODM service for our clients. We always insist on quality first and keep sales, development, and manufacturing of most electronic control systems. In order to keep up with the market trend, we have developed our patent frame to help our customers occupy the market with unique bikes. In terms of parts and accessories, we insist on choosing high-quality brands with great quality and stable supply. Our commitment is not only to provide customers with high-quality products, but also to pay attention to the after-sales service. Our e-bike warranty lasts for 15 months, which is longer than most other e-bike manufacturers in the market. Until now, we have established cooperative relations with many customers from all over the world, such as Europe, America, Asia, and other countries and regions. We also have warehouses all over the world, USA, Canada, Russia, and so on, so we can make a super fast delivery. You can get some samples even within a week. This is our catalog. If you want to get a catalog, you can contact us or leave a comment. As you can see, this is one of our hot selling electric mountain bike. And this is a brief introduction of our factory. We are Zhuhai Shanye Electric Technology Limited Company. established in 2006 and located in the beautiful coastal city Zhuhai. As professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sales, and service, we are committed to manufacturing electric by lithium battery, chargers, lithium battery, BMS, and electric bike controller. For years of developing, Shanye has become a global leading manufacturer in the personal electric transportation field. The elaborate, fashionable, and the green electric bike has advanced the nation rapidly and go forward to the world with steady step. Through years of experience, our products with stable performance and favorable price enjoy a good reputation in the industry. All the products are certified by EU authorities and various legislative regulations. Shanye Company is equipped with a series of modern and perfect facilities which enable us to manufacture and develop battery, motor, controller, chargers, frames, and hard and surface treatment display parts. At the meantime, we get a great achievement in developing of electric bike with lithium battery, closed cycle, and special other electric bikes. As a senior electric bike enterprise, Shanye Company is in pursuing green transportation. We are developing and expanding rapidly and make contributions to the development of whole industry. We have generally gained recognition and praise from society. Nowadays, due to the characteristic of economic saving, low carbon safety and convenience, electric bike has become an important transportation route to thousands of families. For years, electric bikes make a great contribution of energy saving to China and the world. Each electric bike reduces half of a ton of greenhouse gases every year. Everyone can be exempted of environmental protection by choosing low carbon trade. Riding electric bike is the best choice for us. Today, we welcome new customers from all walks of life to contact us to establish future business relationship. Today, we will bring you 2 or 3 of our most popular models. You will certainly find one that meets your requirements and needs. We will also have the stream exclusive discount up to 10% to 20% on all of our products. First of all, let me show you one of our hot-selling electric mountain bike. This one you can see is one of our most hot-selling electric mountain bike, model AB26. This one is an electric mountain bike, and this one is a 26-inch bike. It is suitable for the people whose height between 160 centimeter to 180 centimeter. And if you are taller, like over 180 80 centimeter. We have other size electric mountain bike like 27.5 inch. If you are taller than 185 centimeter, we also have 29 inch for shoes. Now I will introduce this electric mountain bike AB26 to you. As you can see, the shape of this electric bike is the electric mountain bike, and the difference between with the normal electric mountain bikes is the you can see there is a box at the middle of this electric bike, and this box is the battery of this electric mountain bike. It looks like a bottle. Yes, it is a bottle battery. And this battery is 36 volt 10 battery. This battery can reach extra long range from 60 to 100 kilometer per charge with pedal assist, and a full charge just take 4 hours. We also have other capacity like 30 and 50 and 90 and 20 and 25 amp. The voltage of the battery can be 36 volt, 48 volt, 60 volt. When the battery capacity can reach 25 amp, it will make it possible for your bicycle to reach a mileage of more than 150 kilometers at a time. So you can contact us about your requirement of the battery. This battery this battery is removable. When you want to charge it, you can charge the battery directly in the bike, or you can also remove it to charge it at your home or office. So this design is very convenient. Because this battery is removable, you can buy another replacement battery to return to use when one of them is out of battery. So the other one can be fully charged for backup. Okay, now let's see this battery. You can see here is a lock. You can lock your battery for when you're riding outside, and you can lock it for being stolen. And how to remove this battery? You can see here is a screw at the bottom of the battery. It's very easy to remove this battery. You just loose the screw at the bottom, and then you open the key. Then the battery can be easy to be removed. And if you want to install it, you can just align the battery and you tighten the screw and you lock the lock. Then the battery can be installed where. And how to turn on this battery? You can see there is a button at the bottom of this battery. You just press the button. And you can see here is a light indicator of the battery. When you press the button, this battery will turn on and the light will bright. And if you want to turn the battery off, you just press the button again, and you can see the light will dim slowly. So it is very easy to turn on the battery or remove it or install it. Then let's see. Here is a black box. Here is a black box near the battery. This box is the controller of this electric mountain bike. This controller is very small and it's very light, and it will not increase the weight of the whole electric bike. Yes, so it will make the electric bike is very light and easy to ride in. Then let's see the motor. You can see here is a rear motor of the bike. This is a 350 watt 36-volt rear half brushless motor, which delivers powerful torque to increase power on your daily commute and help the rider reach 20 mph, 30 km/h with ease. This motor is waterproof and it will not affect your riding when it rains. The voltage of other model can be made to 500 watt, 750 watt, 1000 watt, 2000 watt. And the voltage of the motor can be made to 24 volt, 36 volt, 48 volt, and 60 volt. So we have other models like the middle drive model, the rear half model, or dual model. So if you have any specific requirement about the model, you can just leave your comment or contact with us. So using our model has the following advantage. The model of our model is high efficiency. The efficiency of our model is more than 80%. This model is low. The noise is very small when riding. When you're using this model, the decibel can less than 60. When you are riding, you can hardly feel the noise. And our model is better than other model. We also provide 15 months warranty, so you don't worry about any problems when you using this bike. So if you have any problems of the bike, you can just so feel free to contact us, and we'll help you solve the problems. If you like other model like brand model like Bafang model, you can just contact us, and it is available if you need it. Yes, so this is our model, the 350 watt and 36 volt model of this electric mountain bike. And then I will introduce the handlebar to you. The handlebar is made of high quality. It's made of high quality material like lithium alloy and other high quality material. There are two silicon cover of the handle grip. This silicon grip will make you comfortable when you're riding. And you will not be easily damaged and rust-proof compared to other factory because our handlebars are made of lithium alloy, so the handlebar is lighter than other company. The silicon handle, the silicon grip is very flexible, and even though you're riding a long time in the hot summer day, your cramps are sweaty, but you will not feel uncomfortable because the silicon grip is flexible. And you can see the line of our handlebars is very smooth, and the angle when you riding, the angle is just right and will feel comfortable. Then you can see here is the LCD display at the middle of the handlebar. And this LCD display has a controller is near the left handle. You can see this three button is the controller of the LCD display. And this controller has three buttons. The up arrow button, the middle button. The middle button is the on/off button, and the down arrow button. And how to turn on the LCD display? First of all, for this model, AB26, you should turn on the battery first. So just press the button at the bottom of the battery, and you can see the light will bright, then the battery turn on. And the next step, you can turn on the LCD display. You just press the middle button of this controller. You press it for about 2 or 3 seconds, and you can see the LCD display will bright. Then this display can turn on. And here are many data of in the LCD display. You can see here is the battery gauge, the PAS assist level, your speed meter, the temperature, the model, the voltage, and the odometer, etc. The battery gauge can very convenient to see how much your battery is when you are riding. Notice it's time to charge your battery or replace another full charged battery. If you want to turn off this battery, you can just also press the button for about 2 or 3 seconds, and this display will be turned off. If you want to change the data, you can just press the up or down button to change it. This LCD display has this pedal assist level from 0 to 5. You can adjust the pedal assist level according to your performance and riding needs. If you want to change the PAS assist level, you just press the down or up arrow button to change it. Yes, so this is the our LCD displays of this model electric mountain bike. It is a very convenient design. And you can also see here is a light uh, light indicator of the on the LCD displays. So we have a LED headlight of this electric bike. Here is the LED headlight of this electric bike. It's a 3-watt headlight, and it is made of high quality material and super bright LED. It is safe to use when you're riding at night. If you want to use this LED headlight, you should just press the up arrow button for about 2 or 3 seconds, and you can see the light indicator very bright, and the LED headlight will bright. This headlight will stay on, and if you want to turn it off, you just press the up arrow headlight for about also 2 or 3 seconds, and it will be turned off. So it is a very convenient design, and it is very convenient to use it. So this is our special design LED headlight. And then let's see, next to the LED headlight, here is a USB port. This USB port is also another convenient design, special design of our electric mountain bike. When you are riding outside and your phone is suddenly out of battery, then you can use this USB port to charge your phone or other devices. Yes, so this USB port is very convenient for you to charge your phone in emergency. It can also be used to charge other devices if you need it. So if you don't want to use it, here is a cover, so you just cover it, and it can be dust proof. So this is the LED headlight and the USB port of our electric bike. And let's see another part of this electric bike of the handlebar. So let's see the gear shift system. This bike is used the famous Shimano 21-speed gear system, and the left side is 3 gears speed, and the left side is 7-speed gears. You can press the gear to the speed you want according to your riding preference and your special need. So this Shimano 21 speed gear system increase the hill climbing power, and you can adjust it to riding on different load conditions like uphill, downhill, flat, or other different load conditions. So it can increase the different power for riding. And next to the gear shifter system, you can see here are 2 brake level. We have 2 brake level of this electric bike, the left one and the right one. the brake level and the Shimano gear system are a conjoined part, and they are not separately. You can see there are brake sensors under the brake levels, which will cut off the motor power when you press the brake level. It will make you riding safe. When you press the brake level, this bike will cut off the motor power within a short distance in 3 meters. So it is very safe for you to use this brake level at emergency situation. Yes, so this is the Shimano 21-speed gear system and the brake level of this electric bike. Then let's see, here is also a time throttle of the electric bike. It is at the right side of the handlebar. So you just press it. You can just press it, and the bicycle can be driven directly without your leg to ride bicycle, and it will be very convenient. If you like the feeling of riding, you just need your fingers to press it slightly, and then the bike can ride. That's so easy. So you can use this time throttle. We have 3 riding modes for this electric mountain bike. The first one is the normal bike mode, and the second one is the pure electric mode, and the third one is the power assisted mode. First of all, the normal bike mode. For normal bike mode, you can just use it as a normal electric mountain bike. You just ride this bike by your feet and use the pedal to ride. So it is very great exercise for you to use it as a normal bike. Then it's the pure electric mode. The pure electric mode, if you are very tired and you don't want to ride the electric bike with your foot and pedal, you just press the time throttle and use it as the motorcycle. So this is the pure electric mode. We also have another mode is power assisted mode. For power assisted mode, you can use the PAS level assist with your leg to riding. You can adjust the PAS level and press the time throttle. Then you can experience different speed of the riding. So this is the whole part of as this handlebar. There is a LCD display, the Shimano gear shifter system, the brake level, and the time throttle. Then let's see the display. This bike is used Tektron 160 disc brake. We also have other disc brakes like 180 disc brake or Shimano hydraulic disc brake. We also have our domestic made disc brake. So you can contact us and tell us the specification of the disc brake you want, and we can make the bike according to your requirements. So this bike has two disc brakes at the front and the rear. So these two disc brakes will keep you safe from any emergency with a brake distance within 3 meters. Okay, then let's see the front fork of this bike. The front fork, this part is made of aluminum alloy and it's very light and durable and rust-proof. This suspension front can keep the tear buffer contact with the group when your bike is running on the uneven road, so the driver can feel more comfortable. And on the right side of the front fork, you can see here is the lock. You can adjust this lock according to your preference and your riding need. The shock absorber does not have the front fork shock absorber function used in the red road ride, so can be more effort. Yes, you can adjust this suspension fork at different load situation, like uneven load or flat, uphill or downhill. You can adjust it according to different needs. Let's and then let's see the frame of this electric bike. The whole frame of this electric bike are made of aluminum alloy frame. So the frame is very light and stiff. This frame is very durable and rust-proof. So it's very light and it will not increase the whole weight of this bike. Then let's see this is the seat of the electric mountain bike. It is a electric mountain. It is a mountain bike shadow. You can adjust this height according to your height and adjust it to a comfortable height when you're riding. And you can see this shadow is the mountain bike shadow, and it is the narrow seat. The surface of this shadow is made of waterproof leather, and it is also comfortable and it is anti-scratch. It will not easy to be damaged. And here is a hollow design. This hollow can increase the air circulation. Yes, so this is our narrow shadow of this electric bike. We also have other special design like the quick release part. This rear model has a quick release connector to make it easier to remove the wheel when it's necessary, such as to charge the tire or replace the tube. We also have other quick release parts like the controller, the front wheel, the LCD display, the thumb throttle, also other device. So I think it is very easier for you to change the accessories for your bicycle when some of them are damaged or need to change. So this is a good design and it's very convenient to use. Okay, the above is the details of our bike model A6 AB26. If you like it, you can leave your comment or contact us immediately. Then Maggie will introduce another hot selling bike for you.
Hello guys, next I will show you our most hot selling e-bike of our factory, and this model we call it A6 AH26. And for this e-bike, totally there are three sizes for the tire. You can see for this sample, the tire size that is 29-inch. So if you need the smaller size, you can contact us about the 26-inch and the 27.5-inch. Yeah. All the tires are available and in stock now. And so that is the tire. Also, about the tire, there are many famous brands and also some domestic made brand. So if you need a special specification, you can contact us. And also, when you at first sight, maybe you will think this bike that is the normal bike without battery, but actually this is the bike with battery. Yeah. So that is the electric bike. For this bike, the bike frame that is very noddly and is suitable for you to choose and to ride it. And if you want to go traveling or ride it to commute with your work, that is a nice tool for you to choose. And also, you can see in this bike there are many electronic parts on it, like the LCD and the battery and motor. And the controller part. Yeah. So next, I will show you more details of this bike. Let's start with the handlebar. And for this bike handlebar, we'll see the design that is very nice and very easy for you to operate. Yeah, on the handlebar, we will see there are many important parts on it. You can see in the middle, at the middle of the handlebar, there is an LCD display. And for this LCD display, there are many data on it. Beside the LCD display, we will see there is a button. Yeah, we can how to turn it on. You can press the power button for about 3 seconds, and then the LCD display is turned on. You will see there are many parameters on it, such as the battery gauge, the times, and the system speed, and the mileage, distance. You can know how long you have ridden, and also the motor voltage. Also, you can note the temperature outside. Yeah. So it's very convenient for you to know all the information. It's easy for you to choose, and also the nice LCD display. And for the system speeds totally 6 speed gears. We can adjust it from 0 to 5. Yeah. Just need to easily operating the up and down button. Yeah. Now the assistance speed that is 5. So we can lower it to 0. So that is okay for you to choose it by adjusting it higher or lower by pressing the up and down button. And also for this LCD display, there are many important data, so you don't need to adjust it. And before shipping, we will adjust it well for your riding, so you don't need to adjust it. Also, if you want to turn it off, you can press the power button for about 3 seconds. It will be turned off. Also, we can see here there is a LED light. Yeah, this LED light is also connected with the LCD display. We can so how to turn the LED light on? We can press the up button for about 3 seconds. It will be turned on. Now the LED light is turned on. Yeah, it's very bright. Yeah, also this design is very suitable for your riding when you ride it in the evening. And also connected with the LED light. There is a charging port. Yeah, here. This is the charging port. You can use it to charge your phone or some other electronic products. Also, after your charging, there is a cover that you can put it in. So it can put the water and dust. So I think it's a popular design for your riding. So that is LED light and the charging USB charging port. Also, if you want to turn the LED light off, you can also press the up button for about 3 seconds. It will be turned off. Now the LED light is turned off. So it's very nice for you to choose it. This e-bike is your good riding partner, I think. So if you need more information, you can leave your message on our live stream. And also for this handlebar, here that is brake levers, yeah, 2 brake levers. Here that is the left brake lever and this is the right brake lever. It can make your riding safer by pressing these left and right brake levers. It can control the front and the rear tire. So if you ride it in a very fast speed and make some uncommon situations, so you can press the brake levers, I think it's safer for your riding to stop it. That is the brake levers. And also we have the brake lever light. Yeah. So when we press the brake levers, there is a light on the rear tire. So it's easy for you to be noticed in the evening. So that is the function of the brake levers for the left brake lever and the right brake lever. Both are very important for this bike. And also here that is the speed gears. For this e-bike totally 21 speed gears. Left that is 3 speed gears and the right that is 7 speed gears. So you can choose it and adjust it very easily. In different riding situation, you can adjust in different speed gears. Yeah. Totally, there are two adjustable buttons. Yeah, you can lower it or higher it by press these two buttons on the left side and the right side of the handlebar. And here that is the grip. This grip is very soft. When you put your hand on it, that is very nice for your riding. It's not very stiff. And also here for the bike wires, all the wires are used the quick release connector. And so it's very easy for you to find the problem of any part. Also, you can change it easily. You don't need to change the whole lines. Yeah, just need to find the accurate problem of every wire. And also here that is a thumb throttle. You can press it to fasten your speed. Press this. It's very nice for your riding. Next, I will show you another part of the bike that is our battery. You can see this battery plays the important part on this bike. Also, our battery that is different from other batteries. We used the hidden design. So when you use the key, you can easily take the battery out. With the key, the battery can be taken out. So the battery is taken out. Yeah. When it's running out, you can take it to charge in your home or at some places. So it's suitable for your charger. You don't need to take the whole bike. Also here that is the shaft. Yeah, you can put your water bottle on it. It's very nice. And also for this battery, there are different voltage for your option. For different motor voltage, there is different battery voltage for you to choose. Yeah, if you need a powerful motor, you can choose the higher battery voltage to match it. And for our sample, that is 48 volts, 10 amps. Yeah. Also for this battery, we can use the 36 volts and 10 amps. That is also very convenient for your riding. Also, after the charging, you can put it into the original place. You just need to use the key to lock it. Here. So now the battery is locked. If you want to open it, you need to use this key to unlock it. That is our hidden battery design. And also here on the bike frame, this is our logo for ebike. Also, we can do OEM and ODM. If you need to design your own logo, you can tell us. We will customize the logos for you. So here that is our brand called ebike. We can design it with logo or without logo. Both are okay for you to choose. So that is the bike frame. And here that is our pedals. Totally two pedals. This is the left pedal and here that is the right pedal. Two pedals are very nice. And the material is also in good quality. We use all the aluminum alloy material so that is not the plastic one. And it can bear the powerful power. It can bear the powerful bear, so you can use it. So that is this bike, and also on the rear tire, there is an important electronic parts connected. Here there is the motor. And this is the rear hub motor. For this motor, also there are different motor voltage for your option here. Normally there are 36 volts and 350 volts or 48 volts and 500 volts and 750 volts. So that is an option. You can choose it based on your need. And if you need big power, you can choose 750 volts for this bike. I think it is more suitable for your riding or to with long distance. So that is the motor, rear hub motor. Yeah. This is the spoke, yeah, the spoke of the tires, the front tire and the rear tire. That is the spoke. And here there is the side support. Yeah, for this side support that is in good quality, not the plastic material, and that is very suitable for you to control bike at a place. Yeah, that is. This side support plays the important role in on this bike. And also here there is the seat, yeah, the saddle of this bike is very nice. It's suitable for your market. Maybe this is seat is smaller. Also we have some softer and bigger city e-bike and saddles for you to choose. Yeah. When you place the order, you can tell us which one do you prefer, and so we can produce a bike based on your need, with suitable or bigger saddles. Here there is saddle. Also for this saddle, it can be adjusted very easily. There is a quick release connector. We can adjust it to the highest level and also to the lowest level. So for different height of the man, we will use different some saddle seats for you. And here that is the saddles. And here that is the front fork suspension part. you can use it as some uneven roads. So if you don't read it, you can lock it. Yeah, there is a button. You can lock and open it. That is very easy and convenient for you to operate. That is the front wheel suspension part. For this part, that is not the steel material. That is aluminum alloy material. It's in good quality. You don't need to worry about it. So that is the front suspension part. And if you need more details, you can contact us on our live stream. For this bike, the model we call it A6 AH26. Yeah, totally there are three sizes for you to choose: 26-inch tire, 27.5, and 29-inch. And on our live stream, they sample that is 29-inch. It is more suitable for someone who are in taller size. Yeah. So that is the details of this mountain e-bike. And next, I will show you a smaller e-bike, and that is our fat tire e-bike. For this e-bike, it's smaller than the former two e-bikes. We call this bike A6 AH20F. Yeah. So the F means the fat tire e-bike. So for this bike, at first sight, you will see the tire size is smaller. This tire size that is 20 inch. Yeah, that is 20-inch fat tire e-bike, and also the famous brand Handlebar tire. Yeah. And also for our fat tire e-bike, we have two different sizes for your option. That is 20-inch tire and also the 26-inch tire. Also for this bike, there are many lovely designs. First, that is the battery, and you will see. Here that is the battery. This battery, we designed it with hidden style that you can use this key to open it. The battery can be taken easily. Now the battery is taken out. Also here that is the charging port. Yeah. At the top of the battery. And for this battery, there are different options. Normally, 36 volts and 10 amps, and also 48 volts and 10 amps, or 13 volts. Also, this battery is hidden and can be waterproof. You can use this key to lock it. If the battery is running out, you can take it easily to charge at your home. You don't need to take this whole car to your home. It's very suitable and convenient for your charger. And here, that is our brand, Hot e-bike logo. Also, we can do OEM and ODM for you. If you need different logos, we can customize it for you. You just need to show us a picture and show your own brand. Here that is our logo, how it done. We can design this bike with logo or without logo. So that is the battery part, and also connected with the battery there is a controller here. Our controller is also hidden in this bike frame. Yeah, it can save more space. So this controller is also hidden in this bike frame. And for our controller, for different motor and battery, the controller voltage is different. And all the spare parts and use high quality material. That is battery and controller. And here this is our handlebar. For this handlebar, there are different spare parts and functions on it. We can see on the middle of the handlebar there is a LCD display. We can press the button to turn it on. The power button for about 3 seconds it can be turned on. So if you need to turn it off, you can press the power button for about 3 seconds, it will be turned off also too. On the LCD display, there are many data and parameters on it. Here it is battery gauge, assistance speed gears, and the times, the motor voltage and distance, the mileage and the times, and also the temperature. You can note the temperature outside easily. And also for the speed gears, totally 6 speed. You can adjust it by press the up button and the down button to adjust it from 0 to 5 or from 5 to 0. And that is very convenient for you to operate. And if it's the first time for you to ride this bike, you don't need to worry about the operation. That is very easy. That is the operation of the LCD display. And also here that is the brake levers. 2 brake levers. Here that is left brake lever. For the left brake lever that is to control the front tire. And the right brake lever that is to control the rear tire. For different sides, the controller tire that is controlling tire that is different here. Very nice. If you ride it in a fast speed and need some uncommon situation, you can use these brake levers to slow down your bike or to stop your riding by using these brake levers. And connected with the brake levers, here there is a speed gear shifter. For this bike, totally 21 speed gears. You can easily to change it in different speed situation. By press this button, you can lower it and you can higher it. I press the buttons from different speed. And here that is a bearing. This is the bearing of the bike. Here that is a down throttle. When you are riding fixed e-bike, you can use this down throttle to fasten your speed. And it can be easily to operate. This is the front bottom, and here that is the grip. You can put your hand on it. Very soft. This is the grip. And here that is our LED light. This is the LED light of the bike. This LED light is also connected with the LCD display. And when you turn on the LCD display, you can press the up button for about 3 seconds. LED light will be turned on, and also the light is very bright. Here that is the charger port, USB charger port that is connected with the LED light. It's very suitable for your riding in long distance. Here that is the charger port. You can charge your phone or some other electronic products. And also here that is the wires. This wires that is not the quick release design. All the wires are connected together. And also, if you need a quick release wires design, you can tell us when you place the order. With the quick release wires more common for you to choose this bike. That is the wires, and here this is the front fork suspension part. For this part, I think it's good for you to ride it on the beach road or some mountainous road. Yeah, it can absorb your shock by riding this bike. Also for this front fork suspension part, you can open it or lock it. If you ride it on the beach road or on the mountainous road, the best suggestion is to open it. It can absorb your shock. That is convenient for riding. And here we can see this is the saddle of the bike. For this bike, we can design different seat style. I will show you another one. This one that is more is softer than that. So if you like this one, you can tell us when you place the order. And also here that is the softer one. Yeah. Many people will prefer this. I think both are okay for your riding. It will not affect your riding speed. And for all the seat and saddle, it all can be adjusted by use the quick release connector on the bike. Now we can adjust it to the highest level. Also to the lowest level, I use this quick release connector. On every e-bike, there is a design for this quick release connector. These are very suitable for your riding, and here that is a reflector on the behind the saddle. It's very nice and suitable for your riding. And here that is the pedals, totally two pedals, left pedal and right pedal. And these two pedals are made of aluminum alloy material that is not a plastic one. So it can bear the big power. You don't need to worry about it will be destroyed by big power if you put your feet on it. These two pedals. And here there is a crank. The crank and the disc brakes. For the disc brakes, normally we will use the 160 disc brakes and also the 180 disc brakes. So both are okay and nice for this e-bike design. And for this bike also there is a nice design that is the motor. Yeah. We use the brushless motor. And the motor is designed together with the rear tire. Also, the efficiency is very nice. Here, that is the motor in this place. And this motor, there is low noise. You don't need to worry about it will create very big noise when you are riding it. Also for this e-bike, it can be waterproof or quick release. If you need to change it, you can easily to take it out by unscrewing some screws. So this motor is very nice for your riding. This is the rear hub motor. For this motor, there are different options. Normally 350 volts, 500 volts, and 750 volts. And also for some fat tire e-bike, it can design with 2000 volts. Both are okay for you. That is a rear hub motor. And also you can see there are many wholesale and electric bikes on now battery. We can see for this one that is our city e-bike here. We call it A5 AH26. Yeah. That is city e-bike. It's very suitable for your riding and also suitable for ladies. If we can install the mud guards on it and also the bed carrier, that is very nice for the riding. And this one that is the A7 AM 20, and that is a 20-inch tire. And also for this bike, it can be folded easily. Yeah, there is a quick release connector. You can fold it and put it into your car. And also this battery can be taken out very easily. It's behind the seat, bike seat. Yeah, this is the battery. And also for this battery and motor, there are different options. And here, this is model A6AH26. Just now we have introduced this bike. And for this bike, the tire size, there are three options, 26-inch, 27.5, and 29-inch. And also this battery is a hidden style. And this one that is the A6AH20F. Yeah, just now we have introduced it. This is the sample. And for this tire, that is 29-inch. that is battery. And here the design is hidden battery. And this one, the tire size that is bigger than this, and that is 26 battery inch. For different options, you can choose, and also um, you can use it based on your height. Yeah, that is 26 inch. And for this bike, it can bear the big power with powerful motor like 2000 and 2000 volts. Yeah, for this rear hub motor. And also this bike can be designed with dual motor. And the power is bigger than the single rear hub motor. And this one that is A6 AB26. For this bike, the difference is the battery. The battery is like for water bottle. It's different from the former e-bikes. And also the controller that is not hidden in the frame is designed beside the battery. And also we have many electric bikes and like the city bikes and mountain bikes. So for different e-bikes, the design is different. So if you are interested, you can leave your message on our live show. We will show you more details. Also for all the e-bikes, there are different color options for you. And normally we will use it in black color or white color. If you need other colors, you can tell us. We will design it and customize it for you. And on all the e-bikes, we use the high quality materials. For example, our high quality lithium battery. Yeah, for this battery, it will have there is big efficiency on this bike. This is the exclusive mode and also the fashionable design. Yeah, this battery can be an anti-theft. There is a key connected with each other. Um, you need to use the key to take the battery out. Also, it's easy to carry and take it out or put it in. Also, our high efficiency motor, yeah, the rear hub motor and also the dual motor, both are very powerful and are brushless motor. It can be waterproofed or quick released. It's high efficiency motor. And another nice design that is our LCD display. Yeah, all the e-bikes there is an electronic LCD displays. The LCD display will show more data and parameters on it. It's very smart and all very automatic. And on the LCD display, it will show the battery gauge, the LED light indicator, and the assistance figures. Also the mileage distance and the motor voltage and the temperature. And all the parameters will be displayed on this display on this screen. And for on the LCD display for the assistance speed, you can use the up and down button to adjust it. from 0 to 5, totally 6 speeds. Also for the distance, it can note the distance for the from the first riding. So it's very smart and automatic. And here that is the intelligent controller. Yeah, on every bike, controller is very important. And for this controller, exclusive controller, is simulated torque and sine wave, and also it's with the low noise, and it can be very powerful, softer, and very efficient. And when you press the power button, the bike can be quick activated in less seconds. So it's very nice for you to choose our bike and also all the spare parts. There are different connectors on it, and it will be connected with different parts. And the next that is our bike frame. Yeah, we'll see. And that is our exclusive design frame. Yeah, for this frame, that is very that meets the safety requirements passed by two through CNC integrated molding, and also this bike frame can be customized in different inch, like 14-inch, 20-inch, 24-inch, 26-inch, and 27.5, 28 and 29-inch. Yeah, for different tire size, we can choose and design the different bike frames. Yeah. That is all the very important parts on our e-bike, and also the quality is very nice. So you can leave your message or leave your email on our live show. We will show you our catalog and more details of our e-bikes. Okay, bye. And so we will show you more details on our next live show.
This one.